My name is Yao Xiufen. I'm a high school graduate and currently waiting to start my college. I'm now digital marketing bootcamp student. I decide on digital marketing because, as you know, technology now is non-stop advancing, which makes the digital marketing field is so much more important. My future plan is to add this in my university application and consequently increase my job opportunities. I do not have any marketing experience, so I faced some difficulties on the starting of the class. With mentors and classmates' helps, I did get over it and start to not be behind of everyone. When I don't understand a word, then I will write it down or I will quickly type on the Google and compare with what mentor says in the class. From zero marketing background, I can finally understand what's digital marketing all about and truly be prepared to go into the working world. Digital marketing is the future. Choose it!